In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add personal notes on songs within playlists that you have in Spotify. So here we are. I have the Spotify app open. I'm going to my library, and then I'm going to my playlist. I'm going into a specific playlist right here that I just created, and it has one song in it, as you can see. In order to add notes to a song, they number one have to be a part of a playlist in your library. You can do this if you're a free or a paid member of Spotify. You want to tap on the three dots right there next to the song in the playlist to bring up all of these options here. Then you'll see an option about midway down that says Add Note. Tap on Add Note. Go ahead and type your note out and then just tap Save. And so now, as you can see, a note is going to show up underneath that song within the playlist, and it's going to show you who created that note. So if this is a shared playlist, you can have notes underneath those songs that the people who have access to that playlist can see. But you're going to see if we go and just browse, and we're going and just browsing the charts here on Spotify, I can't just go to any song that's not part of a playlist and add a note. Is if I add it to a playlist, I'll add it to whatever playlist I'm adding it to, like so. Go back to that playlist as you see here. Now when I go to that song, tap the three dots next to the song, I can now add a note just like so. There's a 250 character max on the notes that you create, so you can't write a novel about a song, obviously. And there will also be, in the future, they're releasing an update right now as I'm recording this, where you can actually add notes onto a playlist as well. And this will work for both audiobooks and podcasts. As long as they're downloaded into a playlist or you're subscribed to them, you should be able to add a note just like this. If you have any questions, put those down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.